So guys, we're doing a little fundraiser today for the downtown cultural district. So all the proceeds are going to them, and we put up 2 Instagram posts and hundreds of people showed up. There's cars everywhere on 11 acres here. It's just packed with cars. And because of the snow, we're a little bit lost a few spaces, but it's just been unbelievable the turnout. If you didn't make it, you got to come in the spring when we have our next event. But every parking lot is full, and the whole driveway is just chock full of people the whole way. So we got free coffee. Tom's. That's maybe. Hey, did they show up for the free coffee? Is that what it was? Tom's traveling coffee truck is here. So I have to plow the road a little bit. There we go. That'll do the trick. You may not be able to get out. There's a snowbank right there.
Hey, if there's a will, there's a way. We're gonna make it happen, baby.
This is the most snow we've ever gotten in the 15 years we've been here. It's totally insane. Our town administrator, John, showed up for the party, so we got the officials here too. What's going on, my man? How you doing?
Where can I park the rig?
Well, we can park right here, if you like. Right on the side of the road.
Oh.
We got the speed doctor. Even the speed doctor, land world speed record guy shows up.
Wonder what he's got in that trailer.
Something fast. We got a good crowd here today. We got free coffee with Tom's. We're lined the coffee truck. The weather's being good, so that's awesome.
This is my friend Doug. He's been here.
Get your coffee at Kaplan Cycles. Ken's Traveling Coffee.
One piece.
Smells really good in there. Got the right helmet here, red, white, and blue. What branch?
Army.
Army. Awesome.
Yeah, he's a captain.
Awesome.